Hey guys, hope everything's going well. I just want to show you a quick trick on how to turn one of your PDFs into an interactive worksheet that students can type their answers on. This will eliminate the issue of having students to take a picture and email or send of their work that they've done. This is just, you can use sources you already have and just make them interactive for students to do. So we will start on Google. You'll hit your waffle and you'll open up a Google slide. All slides open in the landscape mode, and we are actually going to turn this one into portrait so that we can make it look like our worksheet. So you clear your boxes out and then you go to File, Page Setup at the bottom. We're going to customize this to a 12 by 16, and now we have a portrait version of our Google slide. I'm just going to use a math PDF for an example because I know that they use this one, and I'm just going to show you how you can now add boxes in that students can edit this and show you their work on Google Classroom. So you open up your worksheet. I just scanned theirs to my account and saved it. You search your snipping tool and you just take a picture of your work. We are going to save this as our geometry NTI. And then we're going to right click our slide and we're going to change the background. We are actually choosing an image to upload as the background. Our worksheet becomes the background. Then you click Done, and now your worksheet here for your first day is the background of your first slide. Then you're going to insert text boxes for your students to show their work. And I would go ahead and make this a little bit bigger so that you can see when they type in. And then I just hit Control-C, Control-V, and place my text boxes for each. You could instruct your students to just draw their own text boxes. That may work for some of our older kids that are more tech savvy, but some of our younger ones it may be easier if you just go ahead and draw the text boxes for them. And actually on some worksheets I like to go ahead and, I didn't do this on this one, but I like to go ahead and put a border around it so that they can see where the text box is, where they know they have to write that in. So you could go back and you could do that for all of them, and that way they know they can open it and they can type their answer in. So this is for their NTI day. Number 1, you could put that up top if you wanted to. You could label it however you want, but you could actually end up putting all of your days on this slide. You can just hit New Slide, clear your boxes. You could label this NTI Day 2, and then you could put your background as an image of your Day 2 worksheet. I will go ahead and show you how to upload this to Google Classroom, so in case you don't know, this will help you out in the future. So you would just open your classroom, and I'm just going to open one for an example here. You would click Create Assignment. We'll say this is NTI Day 1, for example. Open the slides to view your Day 1 worksheet. Type your work and answer in the box. And then you would just go to your Google Drive. The recent slide is what we've been working on. Now, one of the most important steps for this is students you want to change that, can view file to make a copy for each student. That way, every student gets a copy. You can just open the assignment and look at all the students' work. And then you can just click Assign. So, just an easy trick to make a PDF worksheet that you already have into an electronic copy that students can type on for these upcoming NTI days. Any questions, please let me know.